Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course Pynlong chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Menteri Kasorkar Jilla Uba Kmi Ikatanat Sports and Youth Affairs Uba Shakliar Warjri Haka Khanriu Tarik Ujemang Arajar Arpsan Ulaong Ba Haka Bayday Bat Kijingtay Yaki Jaka Ïalehkai Ka Meghalaya Kalong Kabalapan Kre Ban Pynlong Yaka Limpung Ïalehkai National Games House Nam Arajar Arpnyo Haka Jing Ekran Bat Kilat Patay Kubor Uba Warjri Ulaong Ba ki Jaka Ïalehkai ki badon kam ban Pynlong Yaka National Games kila don lupa haka jela bat satang kendatali ki bampat don. Shushu menteri ulai thu ba ka sorkar pedeng kala rai ban aila lem ya ki weipat ki jela haka than chatai lamingi ban pediang markowei ka Ïalehkai haka jing Pynlong Yaka National Games ka ban sapanya da ka jela Meghalaya house nam arajar arpinyo.
We've decided a few disciplines that will be given to other northeastern states as well.
Okay, which are those states?
All the northeastern states, one discipline.
Okay,
Which the disciplines?
I don't have the list with me right now, but I can't, on top of my head, I don't remember.
But so why is it so? Because Meghalaya has been given the responsibility to host the national games full-fledgedly, sir.
Because last time I think from the central government, there was a statement made that we have to give it to at least the northeastern states, at least one discipline.
Okay. So how are we doing in terms of infrastructure? Or is it because of the lack of infrastructure this thing is being done?
No. In terms of infrastructure, we are well equipped, so there's nothing to worry about. But nonetheless, there are more that we have to do, which we will finish it off before the national games itself. So basically, the disciplines that we have given to other northeastern states, it's not based on that we don't have sufficient infrastructure. So like I just told you, it was because there was a thing made by the Honorable Home Minister from the central government that to give at least one discipline each to the northeastern states.
So we understand earlier we had received certain setbacks because of COVID and all of that. Now, in terms of approx percentage completion of all this infrastructure, where are we?
Like I said, before the national games, we will be well equipped with all the infrastructure. Nonetheless, some of it are still ongoing construction work. Some of it are yet to be constructed, but the timeline that we have given that we will finish it by before national games itself.
Can you name some of the major works that are going on and yet to complete or have completed?
Yet to complete, we have the indoor stadium behind JN stadium. All the major stadiums have already been done. So the yet to be constructed is the football stadium in Makwalu, which the Honorable Chief Minister himself has in the budget speech has mentioned. So new constructions, there are not much. Already everything is already constructed.
So are we also utilizing the venues of SAI side, like in Negu?
Yeah, we have set up many committees which will be looking after which discipline will be played. So of course there is a probability that we might host in SAI as well, but see, depending on the need. So if needed, we will take SAI as well.
So if we talk overall in terms of the sports infrastructure, how many are we going to set up?
How
many of these sports infrastructure required for hosting the national games?
So that's what the infrastructure that are required for hosting the national games are already there in our state. So just a few that is left. We have everything in place, but if you look at it, the past 2 years, there's so many infrastructures that have been done, and there are more yet to be constructed. But
Oh.
in specifically for national games, there is nothing to worry about in terms of infrastructure.